Hi, and welcome to the weekly Fundamental Podcast. A very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year to all of you. In this podcast, I'll take you through global and domestic markets first and then talk about our top stock picks. So let's jump right in. Last week, the Indian markets rose nearly 1.3% after falling for two consecutive weeks in October 2021. The Nifty and Sensex closed at 17,916 and 60,067 respectively. Although the week was short, it was important for the market in terms of specific news flow from the Fed. Now, a long-awaited Fed decision came Wednesday with policymakers agreeing to begin scaling back asset purchases. The actual Fed taper will likely start in mid-November. After the bond taper ends, Fed rate hikes could be on the table. It's a positive commentary for global as well as for emerging markets. Moving on to the FIIs. FIIs were net sellers till date in the month of November 21 to the tune of rupees 686 crores. US stocks churned out another weekly advance following a stronger than forecast October payrolls reports and the Fed announcement of its bond taper plan. The S&P 500 index gained 2% for the 5-day period, marking its fifth straight weekly advance, the longest winning streak since August 2020. Coming to the top stock picks, our pick of the week is SBI Cards and Payment Services with ad rating and fair value of rupees 1,250. Emerging from COVID, we note that concerns have moved from asset quality to spend recovery and now towards profitability in the company. Comfort on declining provisioning trajectory continues to improve. Secondly, recovery in spends and card additions has gathered good momentum and spread across offline and online channels. There is further room for expansion given scope to improve active rate as well as certain spend categories yet to recover. We like it for its high market share, parent strength that lead to the better tie-up. So we maintain ad rating with fair value revised to rupees 1,250. Now moving on to other stock ideas based on result updates. First is Sun Pharma with ad rating. Sun Pharma's second quarter revenue, EBITDA and profit were 2%, 12% and 22% respectively ahead of our estimates, led by strong performance in India and continued specialty scale up. We expect a ramp up in specialty segment to continue over FY23, driving strong earnings growth. We increase our earnings estimates by 6% each over FY22 to 24. We maintain ad rating with revised fair value of rupees 915. Lastly, our pick is Jindal Steel and Power with buy rating. Jindal Steel and Power standalone EBITDA was in line with our estimates with higher merchant iron ore resulting in a sequential moderation in margins. Net debt reduced by rupees 41 billion quarter on quarter and on track to become net debt free in FY23 despite growth capex. Divestment of non-core business, improvement in balance sheet and attractive growth plans make it a strong re-rating case. We increase earnings fair value to rupees 590 from 540 and maintain buy rating. So guys, that's all for today. Happy investing and thank you.